This is Derrick with Tours by Foot. We are here at Domino Park. At the turn of the century, in the early 2000s, this was one of the last underdeveloped and unused parts of the Brooklyn waterfront. Underdeveloped no more. You see the park has volleyball courts. You see the East River ferry going by. We're just under the Williamsburg bridge, and there is a water park for kids. There's a lot of sunbathing going on. There's a whole playground area also for children. So this is fun for all ages out here at Domino Park, right here in Williamsburg, Brooklyn.